First-time Samsung will have zero involvement in the chipset of the Galaxy S23 series. No more Exynos and no more Samsung's poorly processed Snapdragon chips. Only top-level stuff. Rejoice, oh my Galaxy Knights, as the savior Qualcomm is here. Qualcomm has officially confirmed for the second time that Galaxy S23 series will get Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 globally. According to Qualcomm CFO, the 75% share of chipsets in the Galaxy S22 series is now moved to a globally share with the S23 series, meaning Qualcomm chipset will be on all models of the S23 series worldwide. Now with the 8 Gen 2 we can expect the absolute top-notch performance on all models regardless of the market. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already better than Apple A16, with the best GPU performance on any phone. It has an incredible CPU jump as well as a great camera ISP to unlock even better pictures than the S22 Ultra. Meanwhile, Samsung Galaxy S23 to reportedly launch in the first week of February 2023. Samsung usually launches its Galaxy S flagship phones in Q1, mostly towards the end of February every year, and this year though the company launched the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra a few weeks early. Next year too the company could launch the Galaxy S23 series in the same time frame. According to new report from South Korea, the Galaxy S23 will be unveiled during the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event in the first week of February. The event will reportedly be held in San Francisco, California, USA. The device could go on sale by February 17, 2023. Since the global smartphone market is underperforming and Samsung's memory chip business has seen a lot of profit drop, the South Korean firm is trying to launch the Galaxy S23 earlier. This could help the company and gain higher sales compared to its competitors. Samsung stayed in during his Q3 2022 earnings call that is trying to increase the share of its high-end phones to improve profitability. It is reported that Sammy will add 200 extra milliamp hours in the battery capacity for both the S23 and S23 Plus. The company will also add a light mode to the series now, but don't worry, it's not a light variant. This mode prioritizes battery life and running cool over absolute performance. According to Ice Universe, the drop in performance will be moderate, while the reduction in battery usage will be significant. Ice Universe also added that light mode will not affect performance in games, as the performance profile for those will continue to be controlled by the separate game booster settings as it is right now. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.